Welcome back to my channel, friends. After enjoying some peaceful and quality time surrounded by nature at Ecoyard Homestay, I'm now heading towards Pelling to explore a few tourist attractions. I'm traveling via shared local transport. It's advisable to check the departure timings in advance, as services on these routes are limited. The first stop on my itinerary is the Rabdentse Ruins. From there, I'll head to the nearby Sidkeong Tulku Bird Park, and finally, I'll visit the Pemayangtse Monastery, which is just a short walk from the bird park. Entry is through a shared gate with Rabdentse Ruins, making it easy to explore both sites in a single visit.
मैं बोला था मेरे को जाना टिकजुक टिकजुक उल्टी साइड है जाना था तिकजक साला अपने को क्या समझ में आ रहा है कि टिकजुक तिकजक में क्या फर्क है ऐसे ही वो उसके साथ हुआ होटल के साथ
So this is bird paradise and this is Rabdentse Ruins.
Located about 3 kilometers from Pelling and a short 15 to 20 minute scenic hike from Pemayangtse Monastery, the path winds through oak and chestnut forests with a mossy, forested trail leading to the ruins.
So now we are going to Rabdentse. We are on the way through this small jungle trail. Hopefully we'll be reaching soon. So we have just reached Rabdentse Ruins. This I think is the entry gate.
Rabdentse Ruins, nestled near Pelling in West Sikkim, offer a poignant glimpse into the royal past of the former Kingdom of Sikkim. Established in 1670 by Chogyal Tensing Namgyal, the second king of the Namgyal dynasty, it served as the kingdom's capital until 1814 when it was destroyed by invading Gurkha forces.
So here we are, Rabdentse Ruins.
Rabdentse replaced Yukzam as the kingdom's center and remained so until its fall in the early 19th century. Today it's protected and maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India as a heritage monument. Namfagang Stone Throne is a raised platform with 3 standing stone slabs where royal judges once pronounced decisions. Tafap Chotan is a partially ruined stupa marking the ancient palace entrance. Visitors historically removed hats here in respect when entering. Northern Royal Wing is a court quarters and an open square for royal prayer rituals, including the spot of the legendary 7-foot marble slab from the Risam Gompe Monastery. Southern Audience Wing is a public courtyard with a stone throne where commoners could meet the king. Panoramic views of Mount Kanchenjunga and the lush valleys make the site as photogenic as it is historical. March through May offers pleasant weather and clear skies for views of the Himalayas. Rabdentse Ruins offer a serene, layered experience, ancient history, forested walks, spiritual landmarks, and Himalayan vistas, all just outside Pelling. Perfect for history and nature lovers alike, it bridges past and panorama in one enchanting setting.
So this is Shiva. Where are you from? Where are you from, Shiva?
I am from दिलवालों की
दिल्ली. हॉस्टल में मिला हमारे को. फिर वहाँ से हमारा
हमको हॉस्टल मिला.
अच्छा. वो भी सही है. फिर हॉस्टल से हमारा पार्टनर बना हुआ है अभी. Till Darjeeling, I guess. Right.
Yeah. तो किसी को अगर स्वामी को बिगाड़ना हो तो कोशिश कर सकता है, बट स्वामी बिगड़ने वाला है नहीं, है ना?
कैसा लगा तुमको रबडांसे?
मस्त है.
अभी नेक्स्ट कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग?
ऐसे घूमते 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 घूमते
नेक्स्ट कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग? बर्ड सेंचुरी.
पक्षी देखेंगे हम.
पक्षी देखने. बर्ड फेस्ट. हाँ,
बर्ड फेस्ट.
चलो सही है.
दिल्ली में तो हमने 5G के चक्कर में सारा चिड़िया उड़ा दिया, तो इसके लिए इधर सिक्किम आना पड़ रहा है देखने के लिए, पैसा खर्चा करके. तो अब क्या करें, बट पैसा कम है, कमी नहीं है. स्वामी से उधार ले लिया मैंने देखने के लिए, तो इसलिए हो जाएगा, देख लेंगे अपन, है ना? तुम लोग को भी आना है तो आ जाओ. स्वामी नहीं देगा तुम लोग का टिकट, लेकिन अपने पैसे से आना. ठीक है, चलो.
Named after Sidkeong Tulku, the 10th Chogyal of Sikkim and a pioneering figure in modern forestry, the park was first inaugurated in 2017 by CM Pawan Chamling and later significantly upgraded under CMPS Gole in 2020. Spread across roughly 2 hectares, the park is home to over 200 to 250 avian species, including exotic pheasants, macaws, parrots, swans, emus, ducks, and more. Situated along the scenic route from Rabdentse to Pemayangtse Monastery, the bird park is immersed in dense chestnut and oak forest, set against the backdrop of the Himalayas. Peaceful walking trails, elevated bridges over water features, and an open aviary allow visitors to observe birds up close in a natural environment.
यहाँ की जाना है।
वो तो आदत हो गया है ना, मगर फिर भी थोड़ा दूर जा सकते ऊपर भी देखना है। आराम से आइए।
Recent upgrades include an interpretation center, bird clinic, cafeteria, souvenir shop, orchidarium, selfie points, free walk-in aviary, nature trails, and signage, all managed to support local youth livelihoods. The park also conducts captive breeding programs as part of its conservation initiatives.
चलो आ जाओ।
Exotic species such as golden, reeves, silver, lady amherst and yellow pheasants, macaws, budgerigar, pigeons, finches, cockatiels, emus, swans, and more are housed here. Native wild birds, including grey treepees, green imperial pigeons, turtle doves, whiskered euhenas, sunbirds, babblers, and flycatchers, are also spotted around the park. Typically open 10 am to 4:30 pm, peak bird activity is in the early morning, making it a serene spot for nature lovers. Suggested visit duration is 2 to 3 hours to enjoy bird watching, walk the elevated pathways, and soak in the natural surroundings. Sidkeong Tulku Bird Park offers a tranquil and educational experience amid lush Himalayan forests. With its inviting walkways, rich bird life, and proximity to historical landmarks, it's a rewarding stop for anyone visiting the Rabdentse Pelling region. As mentioned earlier, Pemayangtse Monastery is within walking distance from the bird park. To save some time, we chose to take a few shortcuts through the mountain trails.
मेन रोड है आगे, सीधे सीधे जाना है। अच्छा, पढ़ाई करते हो यहाँ पे?
नहीं,
फिर
नीचे।
नीचे पढ़ाई करते हो? यहाँ क्या मोनेस्ट्री है?
हाँ, ऊपर मोनास्ट्री है।
ओके चलो।
मोनेस्ट्री के लिए तो ऐसे ना रोड जाए, ऐसे क्रॉस करते हैं ऐसे।
इधर से
Pemayangtse Monastery was founded in the mid-17th century by Lama Latsung Chempo, who played a role in consecrating Sikkim's first king. It was later expanded around 1705 under the third Chogyal Chagda Namgyal and Khenchan Rolpai Dorji. It is situated at approximately 6,840 feet elevation. The monastery offers stunning panoramic views of Mount Kanchenjunga and the surrounding. It was built for celibate Bhutia monks of faultless lineage and grants this exclusive title only to its residents. The head Lama traditionally had the honor of anointing the Chogyals of Sikkim with holy water. Its name means perfect sublime lotus, symbolizing one of the human body's energy plexuses. It is a three-story structure showcasing exquisite Tibetan artistry. It hosts the annual Cham Dance Festival, a vibrant masked dance held on the 28th and 29th day of the 12th Tibetan lunar month, usually February, featuring sacred dances, embroidered scroll displays and fireworks to ward off evil. Near the entrance is a smaller shrine holding a sacred Vajra Varahi statue gifted to a Chogyal by a Tibetan Lama. The crown jewel is the 7-tiered wooden sculpture, Sangdak Padi, crafted single-handedly over 5 years by Dungzan Rinpoche. Opening hours are around 8 am to 5 pm. Best time to visit is March to June for clear skies and comfortable weather, and festival season in February for Cham dance. As the spiritual hub of the Nyingma tradition in Sikkim, it oversees all monasteries of this lineage in the region. Pemayangtse Monastery is a royal blend of spiritual heritage, Himalayan grandeur, and Tibetan artistry. With its elegant murals, sacred iconography, and breathtaking views of Kanchenjunga, it's an essential stop for those following the Buddhist pilgrimage trail through Rabdentse. This brings my Sikkim tour to a close. Tomorrow, I'll be heading to another enchanting destination, Queen of the Hills, Darjeeling. So stay tuned for my next video.